Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of the One Motorhome. This is the channel where we try to find the perfect layout, the perfect design, and basically the perfect motorhome for you. As you're probably well aware, I'm normally here at Choose Leisure in Canterbury where I demonstrate their motorhomes, but I've actually got a bit of a treat for you. I'm just about to hop in the car, go to the airport and fly all the way to the south of Germany where I'm going to be visiting Carthago City. And there, as a massive treat to you guys, I'm going to be demonstrating some of the most luxurious motorhomes that there are available. So for the next few days, keep following along. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and remember, click the thumbs up, and if you've got a question or a comment, then do leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So one thing you guys are probably not, well, you've definitely not heard from me, is that I'm actually petrified of flying. Hence one of my loves for motorhomes. However, I am here at Heathrow Airport. I'm about to take off and it's around an hour and a half journey to Munich Airport where I'll land. I've then got a 2-hour drive to Orlandorf and I'll be at Carthago City tomorrow morning videoing the most luxurious motorhomes in Europe, especially for you. Take care guys, I'll see you soon. Finally, I'm actually here in Germany at Carthago City. What a nightmare I've had with British Airways. The flight was cancelled. I've stayed in a hotel. I've been up all night, but I am here at this spectacular place. So follow me in and let's have a good look. If you're wondering why I've travelled all the way to Germany just outside Orlandorf to show you the Carthago range, this is one of the reasons. Follow me in. Now if you have a look around the side of the walls here, you'll notice award after award after award after award, and it doesn't stop here. It goes all the way round right onto the other side. So not only do these vehicles look good, feel good, they've got the awards to back them up. Now if you're interested in Carthago as a brand and you'd like to come and have a look around, then they do a factory tour, and you can book this online, or I'll leave a link in the description below where you can actually book to come over either in your motorhome or stay in a hotel in Orlandorf. You can stay on your motorhome here, by the way, where you can plug in, you've got all the water facilities and everything all going for you. But there's been a big part of this tour that I've not been able to video, and there's a huge gate, and I'm about to show you where I've not been allowed past. But follow me and we'll have a look at the gate. So these are the gates where my tour ends, but yours could begin. Basically go into the description below, click the link and book yourself a tour. I've done the tour, it's absolutely amazing. They show you how some of the most luxurious motorhomes in the whole of Europe are being made, and it's all top secret stuff and you can see it. I've seen it and I'm pretty sure you'd like to too. So book yourself a slot on that, guys. So like I say guys, my tour ends here of the factory, but yours can start. Remember to book yourself a slot on that. Also guys, I'm going to be doing a video demonstration of a luxury Carthago liner for two, so do subscribe to the channel and keep an eye out for that video. And there's going to be lots more videos that I'm doing whilst I'm here as well, so remember to keep an eye on the channel. My name's Jonathan, this is the One Motorhome channel here at Carthago City. Over and out.